This is how to have Amazon fulfill your alternate marketplace orders. Let's say you're in a situation where you ran out of stock at one facility and you now need to use Amazon to fill some orders. This is how you do it. First, go to your FBA inventory and Seller Central. Go to your SKUing question, click on the dropdown and do create multi-channel fulfillment order. This is the order I need to have fulfilled. So I put in my order ID. I want to ship in a blank box. Now, this is significantly more expensive than if you just bought the postage labor yourself, or if you did FBA. FBA on my item right here is $3.90. If I shipped it myself, it cost $4.15. So Amazon definitely marks you up for using them. But if you are in a desperate situation where you have to fill an order, you don't want to cancel it for a customer, this is an option. So I've got all the info in to ship it to the customer. I'm going to go ahead and create the order. All right. And they say it'll be shipped right away. So now if I go see my orders, I will see I have these 2 orders in the planning stage. I've now created 2 of them. This is how you do multi-channel fulfillment with Amazon.